Introducing Flourish. No, don't hush. Shout it from the rooftops, because we are on top of this game, not for our fame, but to clear their name, so they can be free from the chains that they were once bound. We are breaking new ground, so the enslaved can be found, all the negative thoughts and emotions drowned. We are like a hound, like a dog after a bone. No, we will not go home. We will not back down. There's a new kid in town. We are here. We are hope. Hang tight and take hold of the rope. A rope of support of all kinds and sorts, from counselling to upskilling and friends that will help you mend. Therapies, transport, shopping, finance, education, legal, housing, health, such a wealth and so much more for you to explore. We have knowledge, skills and contacts galore. Please don't think this is a chore. It's what you deserve. So have the nerve. Step forward, forward into the possibilities of what could be, what will be, if you could only see.